For MIU 1208. It's project 2. Um, Getting my new updated honeydew list. For my gold app, I decided to use the list one window drill down pattern because it just makes more sense for my app. I can browse chores by category, and instead of scrolling all the way down, you can actually filter this list. Say, well, let's look for my urgent jobs. I type in just a UR, and boom, there's my urgent jobs. Everything right now is going to an under construction page, just until I can learn to sort my local storage into the different categories. So yeah, that's this is the way I want my app to go. I really like the look of this. I just want all this to work now and get all my local storage. Like I want all my inside jobs to go into my inside jobs page and that kind of thing. A couple of problems that I had was jQuery is just, for some reason, I don't know if it was a bug in their system or whatever, but I couldn't get my pages to switch back and forth. It would work sometimes and it wouldn't work other times. So just for sake of stress, I just used HTML pages and just linked to that, like my about page, simply my little about page. Got my gold app, which is right here. Got a link to my bronze app, which I also had problems with Git as well. My GH pages aren't showing up. Don't know why. I know everybody else. I know a lot of other people have been having problems with Git. So I put this up, working versions, on my personal server, which I will put the links up for, so you can look at it. This is my bronze app. This search works, but it only displays to the console log for now until I can figure out. Once again, that's just one of those things that's been stressing me out, along with everything else in my life right now. But I want to be able to get this search to work and shoot it to have another page come up and display the chores that I'm searching for instead of it all going to the console log like we wrote on the last function that we wrote in VFW. But it works. You just can't use it through the simulator, and it shows up in the console log in the developer tools. But on this one, I threw my examples in here just to show that I understand what you're talking about. For some reason, the thumbnail grid wasn't working out. I followed all the instructions, but it's coming out like this. I wasn't really going to use it for my app anyway. If I could get it to work right, I might be able to use it, but I would rather use the list inlay. It just looks neater, in my opinion. But not the list inlay, but the one window drill down list from my gold app. But this is my little list inlay. I kind of just created these just to show what the purpose of what they're going to do. This is not my storage or anything. I just hard-coded these. Kind of the urgent jobs I'm using as my news feed. Instead of having it the newest one first, I've got it listed as the most urgent first. So I got my little finish by date. So I mean, I understand what a news feed is, and but I don't really particularly need to use it for this app. And showing my little, this is my CRUD, my normal CRUD, and I have another link down here that goes to my VFW app. This is the one I did for VFW, and this is actually project 1 for MIU. But that doesn't have a nav bar on it, but all these do. So go back to the gold app, and so yeah, that's I've been having issues with stuff loading up. I don't know what the issue with that is, so hope somebody can help me out with that. But anyway, that's my project for the week. Hope everybody has a great one.